Hey friends, so the 30th of June have come and gone, and that's not my concern right now. What I want to talk about this morning is people that are like me on the wrong side of 50, or let's call it the other side of 50. And the only thing that I wish I did differently in my life is that I should have started investing a lot sooner than I did. And it doesn't matter how much it is, if it is 100 Rand or 1,000 Rand or whatever you can afford, but it's about the discipline, and it's about the discipline of preparing for your future. So that's what I'm on about today. If you're getting to a place where you look at your finances and you look at the years ahead and you look at the current economic trends and you go, I'm not sure about that. Well, my friend, I've got hope for you. I've got a plan for you today, and that's what my grandfather said. He said you can run out of money, but you should never run out of plans. And it's in the digital space. It's something that's growing extremely fast lately, and it's going to grow even more into a $1 trillion industry within the next 3 years. The only question is, are you going to get in, or are you going to sit and wait? Are you going to take advice from people that are broke and want to pull you down to their level? I want you to go to my website up there. It will send you a blueprint of this digital marketing business. And you don't need a lot. As far as your own business is concerned, it's going to be a fraction of the regular or normal capital layout. And it's going to be surprisingly low monthly expenses. Almost nothing. All you need is a phone and Wi-Fi, and everybody's got that. And the third thing you need is the most important ingredient, and that is a dream, a vision. And if you want, my blueprint will show you what it's about, and please talk to me. And if you like what you see on this channel, please like and subscribe and follow for more.